How to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail. So for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open our Gmail. Just go ahead and type here at the top gmail.com, and here we are. So there are two ways in order for us to get this done. Number one is you can just go ahead and try to hover over to some of the emails that you want to unsubscribe. For example, this one right here. And then if you're going to go ahead and hover over here, you will see an option to unsubscribe. So you can just go ahead and tap that one and then click unsubscribe. For other Gmails though, that is not possible. For example, down here we don't have some options from these. Now in order for us to get this done, we have to click those mails. So for example, this one, I've opened it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down to the bottommost corner, and we are going to go ahead and look for an option here. It says unsubscribe. Now this one can actually vary. It is going to look different depending on what email you are receiving. For example, in this case, I have to somehow select these here and then click save preferences in order for me to be able to somehow remove this one. But then again, try to read this one, for example, like that. It means that I don't have, or I don't want to be notified from them. All right, now let's try to open some of these. We have, for example, here Quora. As you can see, we don't have it here. I'm going to open it, and then there is an option to unsubscribe here at the top. So just click this one, click go to the website, and then what you're going to do is just simply read this one here. Choose how often you'd like to receive emails. Just click never, click save preferences, and yep, that is how you're going to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail.